Hello and welcome to the Nerd Cave Remote Technical Support video channel. Okay, today I want to introduce you to a handy little feature called Focus Assist. This is particularly useful if you are giving presentations or doing anything else where you don't want to receive notifications from Windows. It's particularly useful when you're giving a presentation and those annoying pop-ups tend to occur in the middle of your presentation. You can disable those or at least control which ones you see using Focus Assist. And you access Focus Assist by clicking the notification icon in the lower right hand part of your screen. You may need to expand it. In case you're only seeing a few buttons, you can click this expand button and it'll expand it and you can see all the buttons. And this is Focus Assist right here. And by clicking it, you can change which setting it's on. So right now it's off. Click it once, it's priority only. Click it again, it's alarms only. And you can change the settings for that either by clicking the Windows button, and then Settings, and then System, and then Focus Assist. Or you can get to the settings by just right-clicking the Focus Assist button and clicking Go to Settings. Now, priority only lets you customize what's priority and what isn't. Some of the presets are show incoming VoIP calls and calls from a linked phone. If you have a phone linked to Windows 10 or you're running Skype or any other Focus Assist compatible VoIP program, which VoIP stands for Voice over IP, that's basically just making a call over the internet. Show incoming text from a linked phone, and show reminders regardless of the app used. Reminders can be controlled by clicking the date and time down here in the lower right hand corner, and when you open Windows Calendar here, you can add a task by clicking this plus button. It'll take you to Windows Calendar and you can set up everything for your alarm and then click Save, and it'll add it as a task. I have a test task here already, which I used. So under priority list, if you have this checked, then you'll see those reminders. If you uncheck this, then you won't see those reminders. Another thing to note is when Focus Assist is turned on and you miss some notifications, you can click the notification icon here, and the ones you missed will be listed right here, so you can review the ones that you didn't see. If you're using contacts in Windows, you can pick a contact and get notifications just from those people by adding them here, and click on that one and you'll see I have this one added. I click it again and I can remove it if I want to. Applications, if you want to receive notifications from mail or any other program that's compatible with Focus Assist, you can click on the application here, add it. You can see I've added mail, so anytime I get a new message, it'll give me a notification for it. I can remove this if I don't want to get any notifications from that application. And that's for priority list. The alarms only list, as far as I know, it's only associated with Windows alarms. You go in here and you set yourself an alarm to wake yourself up after a nap or something like that, and you'll get notifications from that if you have it set for alarms only. If you want to actually get both your alarms and your priority options, you go over here to customize your priority list, and then you can add alarms and clock to your applications, so you'll still receive notifications from your alarms. These are automatic settings for Focus Assist, and you can set when Focus Assist turns on automatically and what level it's on, alarms only or priority, how often it repeats, whether or not you get a notification that Focus Assist has been turned on or not. When you're duplicating displays, that's like if you plug in a projector to your computer, what happens is the projector duplicates your main display here, so Windows will sense that and automatically turn on Focus Assist. When I'm playing a game, basically whenever you're playing a game, Windows should automatically detect when you're playing a game and turn Focus Assist on automatically if you have this turned on. I think it's only compatible with DirectX games. I don't think it's compatible with OpenGL. For people unfamiliar with those two terms, DirectX and OpenGL are both special languages that communicate directly with your video adapter to accelerate what gets displayed on the screen. That's how games render so quickly, is because the computer actually doesn't do the work. The video adapter does the work by itself. So it's basically a very fast language for the video adapter. And when Windows detects that it's Microsoft DirectX is being used, it will automatically turn on Focus Assist. And I'm just pointing out that there's another type of game rendering called OpenGL, and if I don't think it's compatible with that. I haven't been able to. I don't have any OpenGL games to test it with, so I couldn't tell you. When I'm at home, priority only, I haven't been able to find really any information on this. I couldn't find anything at Microsoft support about it, but I'm going to assume this is for mobile devices like a tablet, possibly even a phone. I don't know if Windows 10 will install on a phone. I haven't checked that out, but more than likely it's definitely associated with location tracking. If you have that turned on, this might be enabled. So Focus Assist will automatically come on when you're at home. Do keep in mind that Focus Assist works primarily with Windows notifications. Not every program is compatible with Focus Assist. For example, you may have an antivirus that bypasses Focus Assist, and you may need to set its settings within your antivirus menu, or like you can go here to notifications for your antivirus and use silent mode and turn off all pop-ups, alert messages. So yeah, you may have to set some things manually for a specific program. But that's how you can control notifications and pop-ups in Windows. That's it for this video. Give it a thumbs up if it helped you out. Click subscribe if you want to see more. Also, make sure you check out the website, www.the-nerdcave.com, and tell your friends about me. I'd love to hear from them. Thanks for watching and have a great day.